Yo, what's up everyone? And as usual, we're streaming. This is the daily lead code challenge until I get a job. My name is Mohammed Bouaziz. This is my GitHub account. You can find me on GitHub, LinkedIn, or Instagram. So, a new day, new lead code challenge. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for commenting, for subscribing. And as usual, we're gonna solve some lead code, but this time we're gonna solve it by themes. And today we're gonna help Batman solving his crime. So the first lead code problem is insertion of two arrays. We're gonna identify common suspects occurred to the crime scene, and the second is a group diagram. We're gonna group clues that are just rearranged version of each others, and then if we have time we can complete the others problems, or we're gonna solve it just tomorrow. So let's go, let's begin. Okay. Intersection of two arrays. I think that will be easy. Just gonna warm up with it. So we're going to integers array num1 and nums2, return array of their intersection. Each element the result must be unique. You may return the result in any order. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. It's 2, 4, 9, 9, 4, 9, 9, 4. 4, 9, 9, 4. So we're just gonna need we can solve it in one line, I think. We're gonna return map or field map function over the map into list map and I think. So we're gonna just convert the two nums into arrays, into sets, to delete the duplicated numbers. So a equal set nums1 and b equal set nums2. And then we're gonna just let's iterate the nums1. If I in nums2, then we're gonna append it to an empty string nums1. And then we're just gonna return list of set to delete the duplicated one of L. That's right. And hash-pull type. Let's just return set. Mm-hmm. Is this it? Mm-hmm. Just another for loop. No. Set of. Mm-hmm. Set. Rest. Stare. Mm-hmm. Just want to convert set to list. Oh. No. Set. Convert set into list. My list. List my set. So those are outputs for enums 1 if e enums 2. Oh, he's gonna print. Okay. Comes on. Do it. So Tutu. Then we're just gonna append it. Or can I append it to a set? So let's define a set. Set as then return list to us. Amazon. Just set. set method add set items add also. So I think this is true. Submitted. 10 minutes. Is there faster Python? And do it. So first code is submitted. Let's go to the other one. Groups anagram to group clues. Rows list. Group anagrams. Let's get, so given an array of string else, group the answers anagram together. You can return the answer in any order. 8 and 8 not. The form but string not and done are anagrams as they can be to form each other. 8. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna group together words that have letters that can recreate other words. Empty string. The example 2 and 3 are. So in every word, for every word, we're gonna see. Let's roll it a bit. So here we have, let's say 8 T and eat. Then we have ban, then we have, what's the other word? Not and ton. We're gonna iterate through this list, word by word. We're gonna iterate through it. The first word, 8. I'm gonna make it into a set, ATE. And we're gonna also make it into a list, append it into a list. Then, if we found another another word that set in. No, we cannot do this. Or double loop for a in set if a not in T, then you're gonna just do nothing, and you're gonna skip it and go to the other word, and then so for a in set, so every word is gonna, but it's not gonna, then he's gonna add T and eat, then he's gonna skip ban, not, and ton. I think this should work. Let's just start. So have our list in range for every word. We're gonna create a new list. No, I think it's not the. Let's just put this use case. Let's just read this use case. This sounds good. I hope so. So we're gonna add for every list. We're gonna make a new list, then append it. Oh, should not do this. So if the word is already have a list that we should store it in, then we should not create the list. We should check it first. So for letter in set of strs of I, we're gonna check start, gonna check. Here's the eye. Oh, we're gonna check this word to the whole list. For G range. Alright. Len we're gonna check for the range. I'm gonna check it. Final list one is gonna store this for G in range E. Oh, then we can delete it. I think we got it. And then we add the word and then delete it. But we have this set. And then we compare the other words and delete it. I'm gonna just append list of this. I'm gonna append the list of this. The first time. No. Gonna. The first word shows for the first time always. So the first word had to be stored in a list for sure. Then we're gonna check other words. I think there is a much better solution. It's a little bit complicated this way. Okay. So let's repeat. So I'm gonna make this in a list. Then check for the other ones. If set for G in E and len the list, then if set of E is different of set of G, then oh yeah, then don't add it. Is this operator even logic? Compare set with I can compare, I can. So is there a len if for E range for G range E len E if I'm gonna make this variable x is not an empty set, which mean that they are good. We're gonna add it to the list. If set of STLs set stars then we're gonna add it. So here I'm gonna create a new list. And the G, and then you just delete. No. And after all that, we just band this list. Final band just want to see the result. So let's print also, so bat T tan 8 not bat. Print L. Let's print L. So what T tan is just add the all. So this no. Let's print the condition. Set E. So it's not empty actually. Len. Just want to print len also. And print concept. So len 0. So when it's 0, so there is no difference, so we should append it. Eight tan 8 tan. What the equal 0. Len the set equals 0. Should be true. So 0 and set eat T. It's it's 10 not 8 not, but it's correct. 80. Hmm. So this is a problem, and this is a problem, and this is a problem. Should not create a list in the final element. Actually, we should not create a list in every iteration. We just have to create the list if the word is shown for the first time. So how can I keep it man currently senior in college trying to learn how to code daily before graduation? Thank you. Welcome in the stream. Welcome. Thank you. So here we are coding some lead code in a Batman team. So we are just helping Batman to collect the clues of the evidence of the crime. Welcome to stream and appreciate the support. Thank you. So here we just have to check for the last iteration. This. So I have to check for another time the final list. This is too much. This is too much. If a list is a sub list of another list, so it has to be deleted. Okay, so let's just both. List, sub list. I don't want it to be like this. If one of the item is shown in the other list, I have to iterate the whole list. How can I create a list for only fits? Mahir Patel, hi man, how are you doing? Welcome to stream, man. So here we have this and this and this. We don't need them. Don't want to iterate the whole list. Then you have to return. Oh, I can do it. Can do it in a list. So the solution seems like it's correct. T8, T8. So we're gonna check the list and then delete it so it doesn't iterate it anymore. So L append and then del stairs of she. I think that would be good. List of out of under. Stairs of I. Of I. What the fuck? Ah, so now it's correct. I want to delete it. Want to delete those. Pop. Cannot pop. Del or remove. Let's just let's remove. So L and S dot remove stairs of G. So I'm gonna do it a while loop. While is lower than then the stairs, and then I'm gonna iterate it. because I delete, so I change the size of a list, so the while loop should work. Let's make it here, b equals 0, g equal this 1, then steps. This should work, this should work, this should work. It's taking too much. Well, it's an infinite loop. G plus equal 1. But why? G8. If it's equal 0, then we're gonna... So the first one... So I have to store the first one and then delete the others. L equal list, L equals stairs of what? So 88 done not and but we're almost here. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. So when I is in 10, compare it, and then he had to append it. Another problem. With every remove, I want to see the our first list. Stairs equal stairs. So stairs is like that, and then we added those and we delete them. Then let's put this aside. this is L, and then we appended it another time. Yeah, and I didn't reach that. Also, don't know why this is shown up. Maybe. I also think that the solution is way more simpler than that, but the only one thing that comes up to my mind that I have to make I can make it better. Hey Chad, do you have a good book about writing a better code or a simpler code? Because I think this is a problem. Have to write a sample code, not this nested loops and I think I'm one step ahead of writing the if the word is not in anagrams. If the word is not in the anagrams, if set equals 0, if it's not in just let's ask close because I honestly don't know. I want my just one use case. I same approach. Your current engine was set different, doesn't correctly identify anagrams. I don't want this solution. I want it using sets. So, if not anagram groups, if S. Oh man, I have to make it work like this. It's about time. Once it's the anagram group, so for S and STRs, char set, frozen set. Nah. Anagram groups. If set is set sorted S, join sorted. He's gonna sort them. If sorted S not in anagram group, then anagram group sorted S equal an empty string, then anagram group sorted another blunt. So if he doesn't find the value of the second word in this empty list, so he's just gonna append it. I think my solution just need a little bit of modifying to be correct, but yeah. Let's go. Yeah, it's a better approach, but just let's make it better. Let's check solution. What is the point of using a limb to spit you on the answer? This point just like the solution it could. Alright, yeah, but after all the trial, I don't use LLM to just give me the solution from the first time. I did all this, but the video it's near to end, and I have to make the solution. I cannot try the solution for 2 hours, so I just use ChatGPT for the answer. It's like it's not considered as cheat, just considered to see solutions after all the work. By the way, welcome to the stream, man. So I'm just gonna analyze variables. I know he's gonna use map function. I know this. So he's gonna sort it and group it. So with that I can tell that we did all those. Maybe not maybe, for sure tomorrow we're gonna solve those two rest problems. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for the support. The stream today is very good actually. We have views, we have spectators. Thank you all for the watch, support, and see you tomorrow.